I'm HD Killer here. So today's video will be about the pistol only challenge. Here's my class. Atlas 45 pistol with 2 stun grenades. See how it goes. Let's find our match. Let's go random, guys. I can't wait for the Black Ops 3 trailer to come out. That's gonna be, I'm looking forward for that. It's gonna be sick today. Hopefully it's a good one though. I'm looking forward to buying that game. Alright, come on, start this game up. Double XP too. I'm a prestige tonight. Let's go, boy. Oh no. Alright, I'll take that map. Let's go. Let's start this match and start rolling, man. I literally hate pistols in this game. I don't have no pistols in any of my classes whatsoever. But it's fine, let's go. See how it goes. Slack and load. Come on, we gotta play this TDM. Gotta win this team. 3, 2, 1. Oh no, what the hell? Nope. Alright, there it is. You guys have been like, where's the pistol? I'm like, there it is, guys, don't worry. Shit, man. Thought that was an enemy. No. I actually got someone, damn. I just can't get him. You just got like a rifle. Got like an ASM-1 or a BAL. BAL 27. Damn it. Gotta try and get some kills. I love how I stun my own self. This is going really bad right now. Oh, after all that, I got him. That's just sad. Oh my god. Alright, where is he at? There's another guy. Gotcha. Think I'm about to die. Got ammo. Alright, I picked up ammo. That's good, that's good. No, man. I hate how there's only 10 bullets in this pistol, bro. Damn it. It's a score. 2 and 3. Alright, whatever. Oh, we're losing. We're down by 1 point. We actually got him. Alright. Let's go, boy. Today I'll be uploading another video. Uploading another video just to keep the... What's it called? Forgot what I was gonna say. Just keep that in mind. I was gonna upload another video. I forgot why. Literally forgot. I'm too concentrated playing this. Where are you at? There you go. Where are you going, buddy? Nope. Yeah, I can't do this thing, man. This is probably like the worst pistol challenge ever. Damn it. So you wanna camp? Just camp, bro. I'll come kill you next one for sure. Oh, okay, he's dead. He died pretty fast. Oh my god, bro. Like, this is probably the worst pistol challenge I've ever done. Worst. Oh my god. Alright. There you go. Just hard to kill them with these pistols, man. Oh my god. Alright, they should be coming this way. Come on. Almost done. There you go. Oh, I actually got him. Wow. Wow. Shouldn't have said anything. 7 and 10. Still doing okay. But negative. There you go, I got him. Where they at, guys? I don't got my radar. Oh, okay. I can tell. Hey, buddy. Don't do that again. Aw, I died. It's fine. Let's go see where they at. Where you guys at? I know there's someone. Probably the worst. What the hell you doing here, man? Never seen anyone camp over there. They're everywhere. I can't move. Oh, okay. Ranked up. Let me see where they're at. Okay, I know they're definitely camping inside here. I'm not going inside right now. Oh, unless if I do this. Yeah, see, they're all... Got 2 guys here. I'm gonna take down these guys over here. No. It's my radar. And it's my kill. Should be. Should have been. Oh my god. I don't like this. I'll complain so much right now. Hey, at least it's not that bad. Where is he at? Just show me. I looked there. Oh, that's why. That's why. No, man. Why do you have to come all the way there when I'm actually trying to kill someone? Never gonna do this pistol challenge again. I'll do a different challenge, though. Not this one. For sure. This thing got me pissed off. No, come on. Yes, my kill. No. Yeah, I hate this thing. 12 and 18. That's just embarrassing. Where you at, though? Where you at, though, when I'm saying that? Wow, an assist. Alright. Whatever. Where you at, though? Oh my god, I hate even using it. Alright, let's go. Oh my god, I could have had him. He wasn't even looking at me, man. Alright. That was a good video. A good challenge, I would say. I think I'll never do it again. I hate it. Maybe in the future I will do more of these. Like, not more of pistol challenges, but I'll do still more challenges. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.